So here is Waffles the cat meeting the rabbits, Honey and Midnight for I think the second time in the cage. Waffles is way more scared than Honey. And don't worry, I know that if he thinks that they're prey, that his eyes will dilate, and I'm supervising. Oh, I guess he's given up. Goodbye, Waffles. You coming back? No. Alright, here we are again. I think he's really interested this time. Aren't you, Waffles? You gonna try? You gonna be brave? You gonna meet Honey? Maybe Midnight will poke her head out too. Midnight just seems to be not interested. Don't worry, I'm not traumatizing her. Just doesn't think that Waffles can do it. Honey's curious enough, I think. Where is Honey? What's that, Waffles? What's that? There's Honey. It's Honey. You gonna touch noses? That's how rabbits say hello, basically. By touching noses. You gonna do it? You can do it, Waffles. You can be a big, brave boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Here we go. Do it. Come on. Do it. Oh. Well, this is still a pretty good big step as well. And Honey's not scared of him at all now. He's a bit concerned though, a bit scared. A bit confused. Oh, there she is. Honey! Oh, maybe she's just figuring out how to try to get out. She's like, what am I meant to do here again? Come on, Waffles. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Yeah? Yeah? Oh, Honey's not responding. Guess Honey's given up on him. Oh, baby. Oh. It's okay, buddy. You can do it. Yep, that's your reflection. What you doing? Come on. Come on. He's interested, just not brave, I guess.